Hi everyone! Have you only tried the spicy version of tteokbokki? Today I'm making a soft and creamy version requested by one of my viewers. Chewy noodle duck with a creamy twist, simple, different, and so good. Stay tuned, let's get started. For today's recipe, we need 3 white mushrooms, half an onion, about 8 peeled shrimp, and of course the noodle style duck we will make. Slice half an onion into medium slices. Cut the mushrooms to a similar thickness and prepare some shrimp as well. First, let's make the rice cakes. In a bowl, add a half cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of oil, 2 pinches of salt. Pour in half cup of hot water. Don't add all the water at once. Save a little and add it slowly. At first, the dough is hot, so mix with a spoon. When the hot water meets the flour, it becomes sticky. Now add a half cup of tapioca starch and mix again. It looks lumpy at first, but if you knead for about 5 minutes, it becomes soft and smooth. Divide the dough into 3 pieces. Roll each piece with your hands. Normally, tteokbokki is thicker like this, but today we will make them longer and thinner like noodles. If you roll the dough on a cutting board with your palm, the surface becomes smooth and even. It doesn't have to be perfect, just try to keep the same thickness. And if you don't want to make the dough yourself, you can also use store-bought rice cake noodles or even udon noodles. Cooking the noodle duck. Boil water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the noodle duck. At first, they sink, but because they are thin, they float up after 1 to 2 minutes. That means they are ready. Take them out and put them in cold water for a moment. Always rinse the cooked duck in cold water. This makes them extra chewy and bouncy. Now let's make the cream sauce. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and stir fry the onion. When it turns clear, add the mushrooms and stir fry together. Add a little salt and pepper. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and add the cooked noodle duck. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. If you don't have it, you can use a little chicken broth instead. Then add half teaspoon of salt. For a light spice kick, you can add dried chili or pepperoncino. If you don't like spice food, you can skip it. Let it simmer over medium heat. When the sauce reduces to about half, add the shrimp. If you add a shrimp too early, they shrink too much. Then add a half cup of cheese. Add a little parsley. Mix well and cook for just 1 to 2 more minutes. Creamy noodle tteokbokki is done. It looks like pasta, right? But it's actually tteokbokki. Today we made a new version, soft, creamy, and not spicy. The 2 rice cakes are covered in the creamy sauce, smooth and rich. Hope you give it a try. It's simple but feels like a very special meal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye!